There's another thing I've got to do to this XB. Take this XC front off and put an XB one on. I'm going to put it back to the way it should be. The first thing I'm going to start with is taking this front bar off. Now that that bar's off, I mean, I think that's the whole thing that's wrong with an XC. That big chunky bar. If it had a finer bar and a tray underneath, I think even the XC could look good. But that's not what we're doing. It's going to an XB. So the next thing I'm going to do is take this grill out. Righto, next thing to do is take off this grill support and bonnet catch because it's different on an XB.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
Well, it's all starting to look a little bit bare here now. But, there's still a ways to go. We've got to take those two guards off, which really only consists of 5 bolts across the top. There's one down the bottom there and 2 behind the front wheel. Although on this side, I'm going to have to take that aerial off the guard as well.
I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Now with all of this XC front end off, it's time to put this XB front end on. And I guess I'll do it in reverse of how I took this off. I'll put the guards on first and put the grill on, then put the bar on and what have you. But before I put the grill in, I'm going to paint all of this. I don't like how they're silver and you can see everything through the grill.
What are you doing?
I'm putting the XB front on.
Well, we've got to go soon. You better hurry up and just finish it.
I won't be finishing it
5
today.
minutes you got?
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Gee, you're lucky we've got time lapse, eh?
How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to
Now these guards have the proper bracket that goes inside here and should be bolted all the way around here as well. I'll probably just put one bolt in. I mean, I might need to put this front end on so I can drive it down to the panel beater, get everything painted. We'll put it all back together again when it comes home and put all the right bolts in, get it all lined up.
Back, they wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing.
Now when the XC came out, they decided to change the headlight buckets, and the whole headlight assembly comes out with the grille, as you saw. But on the XBs, they had a headlight bucket, I guess you could call it, that bolts on to the radiator support panel. Let's bolt these in.
Rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?